Hey guys, welcome back to Crossthread Garage. Today we're going to work on the Lowrider bicycle a little bit, and this is going to be a short video, and I apologize about that, but I've been on call this week and getting my butt handed to me. I'm tired. It's Sunday. I'm just going to kick out something real quick just to have something out there. Eat my salami sandwich. Anyway, if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button because we're about 250 viewers. We need subscribers. We need to be at 500 to give this thing away, and we're getting real close to that point. So if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button and we'll get busy in just a second. Alright guys, so what I'm doing is I got this piece of 1-inch tubing. It's the same tubing I used to make this area here, and you know, all the little stretches and whatnot. Had a piece left over, so I cut a slit down the middle of it. I'm going to just run it up through here, but I want to, well, if I can get the glove off anyway. I want to put a bend in it because I want it to come back and swoop down somewhere in this area. So I'm going to get busy on that, and as soon as I'm done with that, I'll bring you guys back in and we will tack it in place so you guys see what we got going on. So give me just a minute, guys. So I thought I'd bring you guys over. I know the last time I kind of skipped out on that, gave you a short little explanation, but so I've got this where I've cut these slugs out. I want to say this is 3/4 inch. I took a piece of that and I clamped it in the vise, so it's hitting down here on the bottom of the vise. It's not going to move on me. Hopefully, you know, I say things and it doesn't work out sometimes, like 99% of the time. But basically I'm going to heat this up. I've got this, I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but yeah, so I've got this plugged up to try and prevent the heat from transferring too much. So let's see how it goes. I'm gonna run this over real quick and see how close we're getting. So guys, first shot there, and we are pretty much money. I'm thinking I'm gonna, well, obviously I'm way too long on this, so I'm gonna cut it down a little bit. The great thing about being able to do this is I'm gonna be able to slide it into that gusset. I may even slide it into this gusset here, and then I can basically feather it real nice, so it'll turn out looking really cool, I think. Anyway, we'll see. Maybe not. We'll see. I'm thinking I want to cut. Let me get my pen. See, now by putting that in there, like I was talking about, by capping the one end, you can see my heat transfer. It stayed where I was, and like up here I can hold this. Down here, I mean, it's blazing hot down here, but up here, so that's just a little redneck tip on doing some tube bending. And then when we do the slices down there, so we can slide it up into place, you know, we'll be able to close these ends up on there, and it'll look nice and feathered in, which you may not even be able to see it once we do the gas tank, but you know. Let me cut this and then I'll get back with you guys. Alright guys, so what I did was I went ahead and notched that, and then notched back here a little bit. You can see where I got it sitting in right now. I like it. I think once the gas tank's on there, it's going to give me something to mount the gas tank to up in this area. And you know, I think the extra bar, just, I don't know, I just kind of dig it. Kind of wild looking, to be honest, but it serves no real purpose. It's just, hey, we're just doing stuff to do stuff, you know, why not? I'm giving it away, so it doesn't really matter. I think right about there is money, guys. So I'm going to tack this in, then I want to beat that a little bit. I'm going to break out the new gloves that Sophia sent me. I'm gonna rock those right now. These things fit nice. All right, here we go. Do not spill the tea. Oh, got a fire. That's not good. That's what happens when you use a rag for brake clean and everything else, and then you leave it there while you're welding. See, now, and that's kind of what I mean about feathering those in, because now it's running nice and flat into that. I can almost make it look, once I weld it and clean up the welds, I can make it almost disappear. So let's get one side in place, and then we can beat on the other side. So that's tacked in pretty good there. There's going to be a lot of cleanup on the welding on this, guys. I'll probably do that off camera, because that would be like 3 videos, I'm sure. Try to get some of this stuff out of my way. Need that. Don't need you. I'll just edit this out. All right. So now we have Alright guys, so now we have both sides tacked in. See what we're looking like. Alright guys, so now we got both sides up here tacked in. We got both sides down here tacked in. I flattened that out with the hammer on both sides, as you saw, which is going to bring this in. It's not going to just end. It's not going to have a hard end. When I come through here and I clean up the welds and stuff, it's just going to look like it's feathering into that. I still have to do some full welding on all this, but for now, I'm going to start thinking about the gas tank. I got some ideas in mind as far as the gas tank, which is going to be the next project we're going to get into. Hopefully next week we're going to get into the gas tank on it. And that's going to be a fun video. You know, I get to do a little metal work. We're going to do some bead drawing. I'm not sure what all we're doing, to be honest with you, but it's going to be a blast, I think, anyway. Yeah, again, I apologize if this is kind of a short, boring video. All I did was throw this bar in there. I wanted to get a video out to you guys. I didn't want you thinking I forgot about the bicycle project. But like I say, I've just been working so much that this is all I had time to squeeze in. So, you know, do all the fun stuff, like, subscribe, share, you know, definitely subscribe and definitely share. I would appreciate it. We got to get, you know, like I say, we got to pick up 250 more subscribers. Since I started working on this, you know, which the goal was 500 subscribers, I started out at right around 50. We're right about 250 now. So let's keep the pace going, you know. We're nearing the end of this. We got a few more things to do, but it's not going to be many videos left, and I'm starting to run out of letters. So, yeah. Y'all stay awesome, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye.